Hello kids, welcome back. So we have started a new chapter which is fractions. So far we have learned types of fractions, equivalent fractions and fraction in its lowest term. So today we are going to see comparing fractions and ascending and descending order. So let's see ascending and descending order. Now ascending order means small to big. छोटे से बड़ा. See from here. Ascending order means smallest to largest, like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. छोटे से बड़ा. Descending order means big to small. बड़े से छोटा. Like largest to smallest, 4, 3, 2, 1 and so on. These are called descending order. Now let's see comparing fractions. Comparing fractions means we are going to see which fraction is bigger and which is smaller. Remember, you can only compare fractions from the same whole or the same sized whole. अगर दो fractions में से कोई एक same है तो ही हम उसको compare कर सकते हैं. So let's see fractions with the same numerator. सेम न्यूमरेटर मीन्स न्यूमरेटर ऊपर के नंबर्स जो है जिसको हम न्यूमरेटर बोलते हैं दैट शुड बी सेम. सो लेट्स सी इन अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस द सेम न्यूमरेटर in unlike fractions with the same numerator, the fraction with the greatest denominator is a smaller fraction. Means, unlike fractions are numbers whose denominators are different. So, in unlike fractions with same numerator, दो unlike या तीन unlike fractions जिसके सबके numerator same रहते हैं. In this type of fractions, डिनोमिनेटर में जो सबसे बड़ा नंबर होता है वो सबसे छोटा बन जाता है. सो लेट्स सी एन एग्जांपल. सी 5/6, 5/12, 5/7, 5/16 and 5/13. Now see children, here if you see everywhere numerators are same. Everywhere you can find 5, the same number. Now we'll see the denominator. As I told you, your greater denominator is a smaller one. So, if doing the ascending order, now see the greater one is this 16. So, 16 will be the smallest one. So, first for ascending order, we'll write first 5/16, then 5/13, 5/12, 5/7 and then 5/6. Let's see. See, 5/16, 5/13, 5/12, 5/7 and 5/6. This is the ascending order. Now see the descending order. Descending order will be iska ulta. So first it will be 5/6, then 5/7, 5/12, 5/13 and 5/16. Now, fractions with the same denominator. Example, see, 11/19, 9/19, 10/19, 8/19 and 15/19. Now, if you see here, everywhere the denominators are equal. So, जब ये denominators equal होते हैं, तो numerator में जो छोटा नंबर वो छोटा ही रहता है और बड़ा नंबर वो बड़ा ही रहता है. यहाँ पे कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं है. The difference is where difference is here when the numerators are same. When the numerators are same, the smallest number in the the biggest number in the denominator will be the smallest one. So let's see. Now, ascending order. So as I told you, Your smallest is 8 upon 19, then 9 upon 19, 10 upon 19, 11 upon 19, and lastly 15 upon 19. See, as I told you, 8 upon 19, 9 upon 19, 10 upon 19, 11 upon 19, and 15 upon 19. Descending order will be iska ulta. So 15 upon 19, 11 upon 19, 10 upon 19, 9 upon 19, and 8 upon 19. Now let's see comparing fractions with different denominators. Okay, so fractions with different denominators. Now 7 upon 8 and 2 upon 3 we are going to compare. कंपेयर मतलब हम देखेंगे कि इन दोनों में से ये फ्रैक्शन या ये फ्रैक्शन कौन सा फ्रैक्शन बड़ा है. So how are we going to do? Now see here, neither the numerators are same, neither the denominators are same. Okay, so here what are we going to see? Now see here, 8 के टेबल में ना ही तो 3 आता है और 3 के टेबल में भी 8 नहीं आता है. So here we are going to do the cross multiplication. So 7 upon 8 I'll multiply by 3 and 2 upon 3 I'll multiply by 8. So see here, I did the cross multiplication. So 7 into 3 upon 8 into 3, 2 into 8 upon 3 into 8. So which will give you 7 threes are 21 and 2 eights are 16. Next, 8 threes are 24 and 3 eights are 24. Now see children, we got this denominators equal. Now tell me which one will be the bigger here. Yes, you are right. 21 is the bigger. So 21 upon 24 will be the bigger fraction. So I put the bigger fraction card in sign. So automatically 7 upon 8 will be the bigger fraction than 2 upon 3. So I hope children you have understood this. So do the assignments for practice. Thank you.